Hey, we gotta turn left right here. Okay.
Here's the
Hi, Mom.
store we gotta go to.
Here's the place we gotta go. It's on our left, Bubba. We're going left.
At the light, baby.
Down this road right
in
here.
front of us.
That's not a store.
Why don't you tell Rock? What do you?
What do you think this is?
I think this is wrong. What?
What is it, Bub?
Rainbow Lodge. Great Wolf Lodge. It says it over there.
Do you know what that is?
Yeah? It's a huge water park place.
And a place we can stay the night
Oh my
in a hotel.
Let's go.
Did you look in the back of Mom's car?
No, we forgot our swim shorts.
Did you look in the back of Mom's car?
I can't see them. Oh my gosh. Please say we have our swim shorts. Ow, ow, ow.
All right.
Whoa, look at that. That's it. Oh my god. Daddy, oh my gosh, I saw that slide on the YouTube video. Someone went on that slide. You fall into that big...
Yeah, I don't think y'all can do that one. It's the tornado one. I'm pretty sure.
tornado.
Oh, that's right. I looked at the toddler thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Here we are, guys. Check it out.
That's amazing.
All right. I'm gonna cut this off. See ya.
Tell her.
See ya.